Ollama versus LM Studio. Hey, in this video, I'll quickly explain the difference between Ollama and LM Studio and help you decide which one's better for your setup. Let's go! First up, Ollama. Ollama lets you run large language models locally right on your computer. No internet connection required. It's super lightweight, command line based, and perfect if you want a quick local access to models like Llama 3, Mistral, or P3. You can even connect it to apps like VS Code or ChatGPT style UIs for your own private AI assistant. Next, on the other hand, the LM Studio. Think of it as a user-friendly alternative. It has a full graphical interface, built-in modal downloader, chat window, and a support for OpenAI-style APIs. You can easily switch between models, customize parameters, and use it even if you're not super technical. So which one's for you? Choose Ollama if you love simplicity, performance, and using terminal commands. Go with LM Studio if you prefer all-in-one app with visuals and easy controls. Both run local AI, it's just about how you like to interact with it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick AI comparison. Thanks for watching!